What's up, guys? Welcome back. So we've got a great new add-on for you guys. It's called the 7 out of 9. It's both movies, TV shows, live TV, sports, fitness. You got health, you've got kids. Guys, there's tons of content here and it seems to work flawlessly. So guys, let's get to it. Before we do, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe tab, hit the notification bell and leave your comments down below. And for those of you that did subscribe, thanks a lot. It means pretty much everything to this channel as I'm trying to bring you the best of content. So guys, let's get to it. As you see, 7 out of 9. So I'm gonna go up that. So when we actually open this, you've got movies, you've got TV shows, you've got Star Trek Universe, YouTube Theater, Kids, Anime and Animated, Actor, Actresses, Trailer and Critics, Urban Gangster, 24/7 movies, classic radio, podcasts, music, IPTV. Now that's funny. You've got celebrity gossip, we've got top documentaries, we've got news, we've got sports, sexy sports, we've got fitness, sexy fitness, relax, we've got adults 18 plus, we've got my track, and we've got pay online, settings, search, and YouTube. So guys, there's tons of content and I've been testing it out. It seems to work quite well. So guys, remember the adult 18 plus, it needs a password to actually go through, which I will leave in the description. Guys, remember it's an age restriction, 18 years and over. So if you're below 18, guys, please do not go in this folder. It is not recommended for children. It's purely for adult pleasure. So guys, as we see, we can go into, let's go into movies. So as we see, once we open movies, guys, we've got pay online, people watching, in theater, top movie. We've got new releases, which is Real Debrid and free. So guys, remember you'll need a Real Debrid account to actually access the Real Debrid links, which you'll have to go to their site and pay up with their code. We've got top rated, we've got actor and actresses, production, IMDb 250 top rated 2018. We've got Reddit 250 top rated 2017. Movie by years, movie by genres. We've got sci-fi, horror, box sets, and coming soon. Guys, we've got a subsection as well. We've got kids movies box sets, we've got animated, we've got extended genres, which is chick flicks, female poltergeists, widows, classic movies, musical, based on play, romantic comedies, martial art. We've got gangster, conman, mob. Guys, there's tons and tons of content on this. I couldn't go through everything, however I've been trying to. Even the TV show section as well has some here, like for instance we've got revenge, and guys, there's a lot. So let's show you how it actually works. Guys, I'm not going to play any movies, however I'm just going to show you what happens when you actually click on a movie and how it scrapes for sources. So as we see, we've got Avengers, Mission Impossible. There's a lot of 2018 content in here. So let's try Rampage, guys. So guys, one more time, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, like, and leave your comments down below. So as you see, it's actually scraping for sources. Just give it a few minutes to scrape. So as you see, guys, it starts to load the sources quite fast. You've got tons of links that it's actually scraping. We've got direct links, we've got Real Debrid links, we've got DVD rips, standard links. Guys, there's tons and tons of sources in here. Look at this. So we've got Google links as well, which is a very fast server. So I'm just going to try one out to see how it actually works. There we have it, guys. It starts up flawlessly and does work. I'm going to stop it there. So as you see, guys, it does work, it does start up, there's no issues. So it's a great add-on to your Kodi collection, and there's tons of content, guys. So let's go back out. So as you see guys, it works quite flawlessly. There is some drag or delay when actually opening up the folders due to the amount of content in it. However, it does work quite smoothly. So guys, once again, remember the adult content, I will leave a password in the description for you guys to enter it in. So let's try sexy fitness. So as we see guys, we've got Diamond Sexy Fitness, Gear Down, Kamanamera, Insta Motivation, Elizabeth. So there's a lot of content in here guys, and they do work quite well. So we're gonna go back out. Guys, I won't be going through everything, but as you guys see, there's tons of content. I would like you guys to actually try it out and leave your comments down below letting me know what you think of this add-on. Remember, I'm trying to make my reviews as short as possible to actually just give you the best add-ons that's actually working, so you guys can test it and review back to me as well. So guys, so let's get down to actually installing this. We're going to go back out. So you're going to go to settings, you're going to go to file manager, you're going to go to add source, and where it says none, you're going to enter the source guys. So I'm going to cancel there. So as you see guys, this is the source, which I will also leave in the description down below. It's repo.rubijewelwizard.com. So once you've entered that source or URL guys, you're going to give it a name. I've called mine Jewel, and you're going to click OK. And then you're going to go back out guys, back to the main menu. You're going to go to add-ons. You're going to click on the box in the top left corner. You're going to install from zip file. You're going to click on the source name that you've given. I've called mine Jewel, so we'll click on that. And we're going to go to the Diamond repo guys. So you're going to click install from Diamond repo, and you're going to click on the repository.diamondwizard. So we'll click on that. So guys, we're just going to wait for the pop-up to appear on the top right hand side corner, and telling us that the actual add-on has been updated or installed. So as we see guys, it's installed. We're going to go to install from repository thereafter, and you're going to select the Diamond Wizard repo. You're going to go down to video add-ons. So guys, at the top we see a 7 of 9. You're going to click on that. Where mine says uninstall, yours will start to install. Once installed guys, you can click on the add-on and then click open. Guys, it's a great add-on. There's tons of content. It does work. I've been testing quite a few. However, my review had to be short. I don't want to actually bore you guys with giving you long reviews of every folder where you guys actually forwind the video. So guys, please watch my videos right till the end. It's short, it's sweet, and it actually shows you in detail what's actually happening. So guys, I hope this was quite helpful. And guys, if you're new again, once again, hit the subscribe tab, hit that notification bell, leave your comments down below. Please guys, please leave your comments on this add-on. What you think of it, how does it work? I've only tried it on a PC and Android box, and it seems to work quite well. Haven't tried it on a Fire Stick as yet. Remember, it's a big add-on. It might give you some lag issue in terms of loading the folder, but in terms of playing content, it will work flawlessly. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next upload.